It is known that the number of COVID-19 positive cases in Andhra Pradesh are increasing day by day. On Monday, the number of cases crossed 50,000, taking the current tally to 53,724, while so far 696 people have died across the state. In this backdrop, the Andhra Pradesh government has issued orders in this regard, imposing restrictions on the charges levied by the private hospitals for the treatment of COVID in the state and the use of emergency expensive drugs. It has made clear that the drugs be sold at the MRP rates prescribed by ICMR. The government has made it clear to hospitals that they will take legal action if extra doses of these drugs are consumed unless necessary. It is clear that a maximum of 2,500 can be charged for a CT scan to determine the severity of the COVID virus in the lungs. Government clarified that all hospitals registered with Aarogyasri Trust must submit proof of use of these drugs. It has been clarified that hospitals which are not registered under Aarogyasri may be charged as per the treatment provided in the addition to the package prices previously prescribed by the government. Government recommends hospitalization of COVID positive patients in line with charges in chest X-ray and CT scan despite negative RT-PCR test. District medical officers directed to ensure that hospitals not registered under Aarogyasri do not charge more than the government prescribed rates for COVID treatment. In the past, the government has fixed rupees 5,482, rupees 10,380 per day for medicines, tests and food for COVID critical care. The Andhra Pradesh government has clarified that non-critical care should be charged only at the rate of rupees 3,250 per day.